After experiencing issues with voice chat in Call of Duty, there are several steps you can take to troubleshoot and speed up the process. Follow these steps to resolve the problem. Step 1. Check your audio setting. Ensure that your audio settings in the game are correctly configured. Go to the audio settings menu and verify that voice chat is enabled and that the correct input and output devices are selected. Step 2. Update your game. Make sure that your game is updated to the latest version. Developers often release patches that fix bugs and improve performance. Check for updates in your game launcher and install any available updates. Step 3. Restart your device. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve technical issues. Close the game and restart your console or PC to refresh the system and clear any temporary glitches. Step 4. Check network connection. A poor internet connection can affect voice chat functionality. Test your internet speed and stability. If necessary, switch to a wired connection or reset your router to improve connectivity. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If all else fails, consider reinstalling the game. This can fix any corrupted files that may be causing issues with voice chat. Uninstall the game, then download and install it again from your game library. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve voice chat issues in Call of Duty. If problems persist, consider reaching out to the game's support team for further assistance.